the winter month and it's exceptionally rainy. I've been really wet, muddy roads. This is a brand new pass. This is, you know, I'm going to see it is the KT-D12L. L stands for left. This goes on the left hand side. It was $9.57 from AliExpress. It's really good value. I've just got a bit of glue from the glue gun. A really good value. Now, the seller of this, brilliant, ordered it 2 weeks ago and it was here within 2 weeks. So I can't fault the seller, and I'll put the details to where I got it from down in the below. I'm not affiliated, so you click on that. I'm not going to get notes on it. If I can put links in. If not, I'll put the product number in or the store name that I got it from. So obviously it comes with two zip ties. You obviously go through there. Now what I found with mounting this is if you mount that on and then screw that in, it's a lot easier. But that's the way I found it anyway. And then it comes with 2.5 disc. And email clip then. It's good. These discs are absolutely brilliant quality. They really are. Yeah, I mean, I've had, this is my fourth disc, and I'm only using my second disc. Now some of the magnets are covered over with a bit of plastic, but that's not a problem. And I've just tested this on a dummy rig. It lights up and it shows me an error message when it flashes, so that pretty much confirms that it works without rigging up to the motor, which with a mucky bike you don't really want to do. But what I have done with the other pass is I took it a bit because it was dying, because there's that much water in it. And these even though they've got the waterproof plug, which, you know what I mean, that's brilliant, that's all well and good. I think I've got a cat trying to get into the gate. The person who sold me this is not inherent to their product. This is just the D12 pass. It does seem to bend. I don't know if everybody can see that or not, but it seems to bend there. And that really, and this is just fresh out of the packet, and they're all like this. This is not just this one that I bought. And that to me, some of them got a little bit, that bit's like melted in, so it kind of latches it in, but nothing keeps it straight and secure. It has been suggested that you put a bit of epoxy glue around there and you can seal it in. But what I did with the other one, since it was dying, I took it a bit, took that out, why not? Now, because this one's brand new, I'm not going to pull that out of there. But look at the wire there. Look. You don't get much, and you're going straight into wire, so if the water builds around the top and gets in, you can pull that entire thing out, fill it all with glue and press it back in. But because this one is brand new, I am just going to pop a little bit of hot glue. Press that in. I'll pop a little bit more in. that should fire it up. I'm not saying it's going to completely waterproof it. Now, I could take the guts out and I could waterproof it, but I don't want to do that because it is brand new. And usually you get a good 6 to 12 months out of them, depending on yellow water. But I'm going to test that, and I'll edit the video together and put a test on it just to show that it's still working.